PhytoGen cottonseed provides growers with consistently high-yielding, high-quality varieties and the latest in trait technologies. PhytoGen is committed to providing growers with the information they need to use these new varieties successfully. We partnered with Cotton Grower Magazine to produce a series of videos from the Advanced Technology Seminars so our experts could answer your questions. Cotton growers are always looking to increase production. How can trait technologies and native traits help growers?
Trait technologies and native traits are important to our cotton growers because of one big concept, and that's yield protection. The day that the cottonseed goes into the ground is when it has its highest yield potential. And everything that happens throughout the season robs some of that yield potential. And anytime that you have a technology trait or a native trait incorporated with that seed, it's going to help those farmers, outbest their best as far as yield is concerned, and really bring home the type of yield and profit that they're looking for. This last year in the Mid-South, in my area, PhytoGen varieties came to the top of all of the OVTs. The same can be said for results from Alabama and South Georgia as well. Particularly in a place like South Texas and their race trials where they plant early into cooler conditions, the native traits that come with PhytoGen varieties really help take those yields to their maximum potential.
PhytoGen leads the way in the cotton industry by offering cutting-edge trait technologies. What is the premier trait technology package available from PhytoGen?
The premier trait package that comes with PhytoGen cottonseed is Wide Strike 3 insect protection with the Enlist trait. These technologies come to bring several things to the market for us. Number one, Wide Strike 3 gives us great control of Lepidopteran pests, and including improved bollworm control. Performance across the belt on Wide Strike 3 has been phenomenal. Many consultants and growers have come to us in fields where we've had two different technologies planted, and they can tell right to the row where Wide Strike 3 begins. The Enlist trait allows over-the-top applications of Enlist Duo, which is a combination of 2,4-D choline and glyphosate, as well as glufosinate herbicide. Those multiple applications that you can make with multiple modes of action will help control very tough to control weeds, including the ones which are resistant to glyphosate.
In addition to cutting-edge trait technologies, PhytoGen cottonseed offers a number of native traits in their variety portfolio. What is a native trait?
Native traits are naturally occurring traits within a cotton's genome. So they may be things like the hairiness of the leaf, or maybe even nectarless flowers. Things that we use in a breeding portfolio that are naturally occurring within the cotton genome. They're different from transgenic traits in that transgenic traits are usually introduced by man from outside the cotton germplasm.
What native traits are available in the PhytoGen cottonseed portfolio?
Within the PhytoGen cottonseed portfolio, specifically those varieties that are W3FE, we're going to have 12 different lines that have bacterial blight resistance, which has been a perennial problem across the belt, especially since 2011. We have 10 varieties that are going to have verticillium wilt tolerance, which is also a perennial problem across the belt. Then we're going to also have 2 varieties that have exceptional root knot nematode resistance.
PhytoGen continues to develop varieties with native traits to help growers work smarter. What native traits is PhytoGen working on for future varieties?
PhytoGen cottonseed recognizes the importance of native traits in our portfolio. Future research includes tolerance to soil-borne and foliar diseases, as well as tolerance to environmental stresses like drought. We're also working on reniform nematode tolerance, as well as bringing more lines in 2018 with that true 2-gene resistance to root knot.
Contact your PhytoGen representative or visit phytogen.com for more information.